Hello friends, I am BM. Today I am going to show you how to change Canon Imageclass MF244DW printer hinges. You see, this hinge is breaked. This one is okay. Now I am going to show you how to change this hinges. Okay. First, open side cover, left side cover. Okay. Remove the side cover and remove this all connection, scanner and ADF strip and these connectors. Okay, please like this video, subscribe my channel, hit bell icon. Okay, after remove this all strips and cables from logic board, open cover, press this hinges and slowly pull out ADF. Okay, this side is no need because this is already braked. Okay, after remove ADF, now change hinges. This is one is okay, this one is braked. Okay, need to change this. First remove old braked hinges from printer. Okay, you see this is badly braked. Okay, remove carefully. Okay, now replace to new one. This is our new hinges. Insert in this section this hinges and fit screw. Okay, be careful, this hinge is very sensitive part in printer. After fit this screw, take ADF and connect ADF to printer. Slowly push ADF in our hinges, both hinges. Be careful. Okay, I'm already fixed. Now check, there is any gap here? No. This hinge arm change, there is a no gap here. Okay, after this connect all strip and cables. Okay, thank you for watching me. See you on next video.